everyone, Trina here. Gonna make a watercolor today. Let's start off with some water wash here on the paper. We're gonna be working with the distressed inks again. So I just want to give it a little dampness here. Not too wet, not beating up, not standing. Just a little light, sort of damp. And we're going to continue on with a couple of different things we're going to try today. Maybe a little bit of collage. And we'll just see where that takes us. Okay, we're going to start off with a little bit of the weathered wood. I really like that color. And then I'm going to do some faded jeans. We're going to do less colors, I think, today. Because I think yesterday, a little too many colors. Maybe just too many. I think we're going to stick with 3 today to begin. This is the antique linen. We really like that sort of peeking through there. Okay, let's start with these. Get a little wet down here. Try to keep my fingers somewhat clean. Right through here. Well, that held up pretty well. Like, that's stuck down there really well. Just gonna give it a little swoosh through here. Maybe not enough water. Get some more of that down there. Gonna drag it across a little bit. So on this one, I don't think I got enough water. Let's do, I want more of this distress or this faded jeans. So I really like it when it's pretty blue. So let's just get some more of that on there. Okay. And let's get out let's spritz it. Get it moving. So I think the spritzing is where all the magic happens. And this is the Canson paper. I don't know if I said that earlier. 5x7. We're going a little smaller today. Okay. Like those little, get little splashes up there. Those are fine. This is sort of damp. I've come in with a little bit of, this is the Salty Ocean. Let's see what that has to offer. Okay, I got some down here at the bottom. I don't want those. Just kind of smear it around maybe. Doesn't seem to be adhering at all. I'm going to come in with a little bit of the Payne's Gray, just to add a little bit of something through here. I think it needed some darkness. I'm going to let this all dry and do its thing. And then we'll come back and talk about maybe some collage. Okay, the sky's still drying, but I'm going to come in with the carbon paper and make some lines. I do want to do some collage. I had an idea. So I printed off some tissue paper or some medical exam paper with some Distress Oxide inks and then put a layer of gel medium over top. And I did a few of these. My idea is to put these over top and see how they react. I'm not sure about this one, so let me get a different one. Okay, I've got my matte medium here. I'm just going to put some of that down. And then I've got my little sheet of med exam paper here that I kind of just want to put over it. Let's see how this, oh, that was a lot. Oh, well. It shouldn't lift up. It should be fine to be on there. But I kind of like this idea that it's not as translucent as I thought it was going to be. I do have this yellow piece here that might be kind of fun. Yeah, let's cut that up and see what that does. I want to put down this layer of the burnt or the liquid umber. Just through sanguine. Paint over that just a little bit. Maybe get a little darker in through some spots. First, I decided I wanted to put some marks through here with the palette knife. Just to make some marks into here. Just a few though, I don't want it to be too crazy. I've decided to go with a completely different piece of paper. So I've got a little bit of blue turquoise in that brown. I just want to put it through here. I'm trying to decide if I should spray it. I think that might be a bad idea, but I just did it. I was just going to spray it a little. See what happened. Because I didn't seal the back. I only sealed the front. Yeah, maybe don't wet it. I mean, it didn't hurt anything. It's just, it smeared a little bit, but that's okay. I don't mind it. I kind of like this, what we got going on over here. Let's come in with the Deep Indigo from Inktense. Make a mark through here. I'm not sure if I want to add to this, maybe like through here. I think I do. I think that's what I want to do. Just to add in a little bit of contrast and darkness. I could push it up a little bit. That's kind of fun. Gets that a little wetter. Because the Inktense are water soluble. Just to create a little bit more drama through there. I think we need some orange in there. I want to add a bit more of this liquid umber through here. It's a beautiful color and I kind of just want more of it. I want to bring it up a little bit into there. Okay, I want to add in a little bit of this Sahara yellow from Caran d'Ache. I just want to add a little bit of a sort of a highlight line, if you will, just to kind of bring some lightness to it. Something a little different. And I might add, do I want to add some marks through here? Maybe. Caran d'Ache also works on a deli paper. It's kind of where we started. Although that's very light. Let me find my... If I remember correctly, the Caran d'Ache works best with... But I don't hate it. I kind of like the little bit of texture that's adding. Be a little bit more subtle, maybe. Come in a little bit with the ochre color. Gonna come in with a bit of this pastel. I want to put some heavier marks through here just because I feel like it needs some resting spots for your eyes. It's a little crazy. It's a little crazy through there, but I kind of like how you can add the lines and make like some sort of shape within the lines, if that makes sense. I'm going to come in with this English Red from Caran d'Ache. Kind of liking how these little marks are showing up through here. Definitely kind of adding something, a little bit more interest down here than just a flat shape of what we had before. Okay, here we are with the matte. I like the sky. I like adding that blue indigo ink tints in there. I like the yellow line. I think that really does something. I might even want to bring it maybe up through here, but I think I'm going to leave it for now. Actually, I probably need to move this down just a little bit. I really like this sort of demarcation we get going through here with the marks. I kind of like the collage. I think it needs to be more contrasty. And I like putting the lines in there. So overall, very happy with this one. It's a lot more simple. Sometimes I go in those phases where I'm really complicated and really simple. Today I'm being very simple. And I like these little, the different marks that I made down through here. I think that's a really fun place to add because you've got somewhat texture, mild texture, and then lots of texture. I think that's a good, I think it broke down nicely into those sections. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click over here to like and subscribe, and I will see you probably tomorrow for another video. Thanks so much. Bye.